Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the relative momentum index or RMI indicator for MT4 and MT5. This oscillator expands on the classic RSI idea by measuring momentum over a chosen lookback distance, helping you visualize overbought, oversold and trend strength conditions. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. The RMI indicator appears in a separate sub-window below the main price chart as a bounded line, usually moving between 0 and 100 around a central reference. The line rises toward the upper band when upward momentum dominates and falls toward the lower band when downward momentum is stronger, allowing you to see the balance of buying versus selling pressure. Typical overbought and oversold regions are marked near the top and bottom of the scale, and when the RMI spends extended time in these zones, it implies a strong, persistent trend rather than just a short-term spike. Causes of key levels, changes in slope, and divergences between price and the RMI line can visually hint at momentum shifts or potential reversals without specifying exact trade entries or exits. As for the indicator settings, core settings include the momentum distance, which controls how many bars back the indicator compares price to measure momentum. There's also a smoothing period that determines how many past values are averaged, influencing how fast or slow the RMI line reacts. You can usually set the overbought and oversold levels such as 70 and 30 or 80 and 20, defining where you want to highlight extreme momentum zones. Visual parameters let you change line color, thickness, and level line styles so the oscillator stands out clearly in the sub-window. Alright, so who is this indicator for and what are its limitations? The RMI indicator is suited to traders who like oscillators but want a momentum-focused variation of RSI that can better capture trending moves and pullbacks. It is an analytical tool only and does not execute trades, so readings should be combined with trend analysis, support and resistance, and price structure before making decisions. In very strong trends, the RMI can remain in overbought or oversold areas for extended periods, and in choppy markets, it may generate frequent crosses that do not lead to meaningful follow-through. The download links are in the description below. You can read more about the relative momentum index and other oscillators at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.